Let's cook some cheesy lasagna. And when I say cheesy, I mean cheesy. So I'm going to add some ground beef and some sweet Italian sausage. Going to season it with my seasonings of choice. And yes, I'm going to use some spaghetti sauce. Then I'm going to season it with some basil, oregano, and Italian seasoning. Going to let that simmer, and I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese, some sour cream, and some ricotta. No, you're not going to see any cottage cheese because I don't like it. So I'm going to start by layering the ground beef mixture at the bottom. I'm going to start with my lasagna noodles, and this pan is a little bit smaller than normal, so I just split that right in half. So my next layer is going to be my mozzarella cheese mixture, then some meat, cheese, and then again with the lasagna noodles. And we're going to start over. I'm going to sprinkle on a lot of cheese because I want this to be good and cheesy. I'm going to top it with some dried